Tenzing Pukramamna Mayambu Mami Mapao gi Taramarirak Shuba episode asida Taramna Okchari. Impact TV gi show asibu mityeng tabiri bapumna magpu no lokchari. Today, we bring you the latest news and events from the world of entertainment. But first of all, thank you so much for being patient with us, and the team apologizes for the cancellation of the previous show. Mami Mapao gi mamangi tarahumdoirak shuba episode ta mayamgi comments, suggestions amadi appreciation singi damagta thagatchari. Show asi hena fazaba, hena mapung phava show ama oihannaba hotnabada adomgi support changi. So folks, keep supporting Mami Mapao. Dear subscribers, ngasigi taramarirak shuba episode asida ihan hanbo oina Sangai Festival lakpada kumai harau gi paujal ama a movie song release Mapao. As usual, Manipur nina yaifa thauni gi Mapao yaudadi kayoini. Sneak interviews at the marriage of our Lord Mahesh, and finally the awaited Miss Manipur gi Mapao ama. Ahanbada Sangai Festival, the festival that brings the people of the state together with multiple mediums of exhibitions for growth. Let's have a look. Manipur gi oina khwaidagi chawba kumai ma oiriba Manipur Sangai Festival asi Manipur da mafam mari thokna pangthokli ngasi aroiba numit asida akoina hojik leiriba asi Lambui Khongnang Khong gi venue dani pangthok doriba Thauram Singna Isai Nongmai Jagoi amasung Mumbai da best doriba fashion designer Silex masama ki fashion show amasu uchagadori maram aduna Mami Mapao brings you a quick recap of the whole event.
Iramdam Manipur ki khwaidagi chawba tourism festival ni haibada kangleisa singna yetnaba leitana yanaraba Imphal gi Vegachandra Open Air Theatre Bota ikai khumnariba India gi Ramnath Kobinna haunabi matung ina chinglem lab thauram maga loinana haukiba November gi tang kunma thoid haudokhi
mudaga yum thong khudingda yum lingle ning thau sanna mai hi yum lingle
Malemda iramdamas saktakliba Sangai Kobi Ningtibi Sazi Mahaki Koloi Lauduna Maming Tholiba Kumayasigi Manung Channa Imphal gi Lamboi Khongnang Khongda Leiba Trade and Permanent Exhibition Center da Manipur Lenga ki Commerce and Industries Department na Sidlangduna Tang Kunithoi dagi Hauduna stall kaya hangdoki amade Tamna Sangai gi Liching Makha da Makal Makha kaya gi cultural program kaya masu November gi tang kuntra faw pangthoki
in the Tangkul attire, who has acted in one of the most popular Suchitra Wangkar. She is often tagged as Mini Sridevi. He is of course none other than Gokula Tokbo. Is a versatile actor Nirmal Kangjam.
wretches, hold up. I said records, wretches, hold up.
Hai bima nuran namu mapu pank krbilirang hai budi maur le shabira hai ba
ningon lai bak chau bigidi palem pan thoing khul chai goinung leirang ining khatam namak tabu sachari bi leirang ni
lam koiba kya gi miyang honghandana pukning sumatpa ngamliba loktak ima gi masai konda leiba takmu water disposed complex ta November gi tang kuni thoida akhanaba myoi singi amadi tang kulumdoi amadi kunmari dana miyam gi hana khaidoktuna leisure holography projection mapping na chingba mathel kya ga loina na nat ki oiba jagoi isai kaya masu lanthokhi
Nura pakhang ni do chin bu kang shi kang da pai ma ki si thong da wang le ka ya ho khare Nura pakhang ni do mong na da kang jai da thang da ta da mi thoi mi hen ba mi ya ni mong na da kang jai da thang da ta da mi thoi mi
asinasu loiba natri November ki tang kunmanga dagi kunmapan fawbasu Manipur State Film Development Society amade Film Forum Manipur anina punna sinduna ahum suba Shanghai International Film Festival 2017 su Iranian film Two Leg Horse utuna hawdokpaga loinana pangthokhi Film Festival asida iramdam asikita natana South Africa, Kazakhstan, Cuba, United Kingdom asina chingba leibak singi film kaya amasu miyam de utki Kumal Lampak Sports Complex hapta kang zaibung Koirenga Airfield asina chingba mafam kaya da lenga ki thausil makhada madi festival asibu yokat pamba lanai luf amadi association na chingba kaya na sin langduna pangthok kiba kumaya se Vega Chandra Open Ya Theater da Manipur gi Governor Dr. Nazma Haftullah amadi Chief Minister N Viren Anina athoi ba lengbirak pa amadi thauram mapu oina tongan malenga ki luching ma kaya ga loinana kumaya sibu loisin ba ki thauram pangthokhi
Alright, these are some of the few gorgeous models that we have behind me. So they're going to walk the ramp, they're going to rock the stage tonight for Silex. So let us just know the names one by one.
Josla Langam here.
Gurumim Olivia, hi.
Hi, I'm Kanala Ngango.
No one knows her, right?
Hi.
Who are you?
I'm Strela from Nozam.
So how excited are you guys tonight? So let's say bye all together to the camera. Chalo, bye-bye. We have the designer, the man behind tonight's fashion show, Mr. Silex.
Mama se thain dagi koi handloom ki evening TV in lai me dana ko. I don't know, it's been very, like I got inspiration from her.
What do you think about the models here in Manipur?
Models, there's some which are very nice. Akoi national level the young yaga to khar di yaw re. When we're trying to groom them so that they can be exposed into the outside world.
Any future plans about that?
Very soon, it's in pipeline. We're starting with a new modeling agency. Also, like, okay, akoi mathang chahida. If I get, I settle oita di. I want to, launch 1 or 2 models for the upcoming Lakme Fashion Week, which will be happening sometime around August.
So handaki chahi oinadi Shanghai Festival ngasigi numit asina aroiba numit habdo oire maram aduna mathangi chahi gi Shanghai Festival mayam punna ngai minasi Mami Mapao na so adumak Shanghai Festival gi program punna mak lanthok na ba hona jage. So this is Tenzing with cameraman Taton and you're watching Mami Mapao. Wow, did you know Shanghai Festival handaki chahi mapam mari thokna sille haba? Amazing. Let's hope we see more exciting things next year. Rajkumar Films ki makhada puthorokliba feature film Ahing Sina Loikharga under the direction of Hemant Kumangi official movie song release tagi Miss Strela gi Mapao ma yengminasi.
Hello again to all the viewers of Mami Mapao, of course, our friends. Ngasi asi Rajkumar Film Production gi makhada puthokpa Ahing Sina Loikharga haiba film asigi music haibadi song official song release amagi program amani Ahing Sina Loikharga haiba film asigi singer, of course, the official singer, amo oibiribi Rani Sarmagani. Jerani na sigi isaize mayamda kudol tamboyna. Matingam tang
laira bagi pankhaida lairi bathawaina kanagi nukna hingliba lakhini nungaiba matam mai khoigisu lakhini nungaiba matam mai khoigisu hutna siyai khoi ninghanadana nungaiba se ai khoigisu yauri. Thank you.
Wow. Ahing Sina Loikharga haiba film asigi director gi role yam chawba role ni pubiriba da Hemant Kuman.
Producer koi da copy aduga koi ai friend ꯃꯤꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯆꯥꯟꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯞ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯆꯟ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯃꯕꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯒꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯗꯨꯅꯦ
Of course, kai thokdokno haibadudi ekhoi ju khangre ado film je yengaga mayam suksoi soidana khangpirani ado release tawgadawbagi matam gumbadi leibibra so that mayam yengningba mayam yarongani yeng phangjanaba
plan je koi January 6 plan tawre coming 2018 gi
It's been 2 years. Like I could baba I did RKG10. Like my father passed away. Like it's been 2 years. Like Hanari Rajkumar films. I quite two films in a year put home money. But after my father said that it's been 2 years. We have been not producing any films. So like January 6, it's my death anniversary. Like I quite bagi anniversary mo ibna. Like I sons give a mo ina my amda. Like actors like Manipur film industry da. For my dead remembrance kidamang ta torga ina si film saina mayam da khudol tamgadam ne particularly this film is like love story or somewhat gimmick like something like mayam si film sing da gi tongan ba genre ma ka dream team haibam cha ko youth team jina koina first koina ngasi try tawri je like commercial di oraga non commercial type ta koina message pi ba film either certain messages pi gine na koina like scholars ma'am ne lecturers ma'am adagi like politicians some like stories discuss to what on the positive response phanga matung jida koina like certain a very big ma'am message ma'am pin na expect toga a good film ohen view haibo ohen janing bam khati lerega oigene ju staja duga particular message koi director na habi ge like brother sister relation ge sige besides aina hijaining bari like Manipur da ngasi leiba nupi angang da miot minei gi leiba khoi gi like women empowerment gi part angok sulap kan jira si film sing matung da women empowerment da so we face sam ka aina me sam khoi gi leiba film sina message fi gi na ma'am to
Thank you. I'm very sure that everyone would support this film.
Mixon Ras and Hemant Kumangi combination asi yam fazagadaba mali and team Mami Mapao wishes the film a great success. Ahum subada lairiba asi yaipa tawni thoram for the upcoming feature film Kapchet Pi Kundo and Aigi Thawani. So let's have a look.
Puren Konbi Films production ki banner makhada Naubo Yamadi Taguf Ngan bi ani khudol tamduna puthokadaba Manipuri feature film Kapset Pi Kundogi Yaifa Thawni Tauram December gi haukiba tang ahum Nomaizing numita haunabi matung ina lamfel gi Sankata kista Yaifa Thawni Tauram pangthoktuna mai pakna puthokna naba Thawni krei
aigi oina kariguma kharam yam da pangthokena khalla lakhibasi masigi khudong chabasi phangdina lakpadagi gi film gi fraternity degi aibu yamna guide tawbirakpa cinematographer Sursan Morangthem loinana film editor Mohindo Kams loinana khogi ai marup sing mangle macha sumain tawdena makoi mayam gi akanba puning thaugat piba wahai kaya dumana ina film asi aigi oina puthokserage na chaping na lepakpadagi kwaidagi phaba wari ma ina aigi oina pukhatna bo hona bada thirakpada ina story singi marakta Kapchet Pi Kundo hariba khogi story asina puthokjagi khaliba film asi mai pakna puthokpa yaragane amadi aina kan character sing khanbada hena khudong charagane na khallakanda aina masigi Kapchet Pi Kundo hariba film asi aina puthokna basem sajabani
aina phangjari role asi aingonda aina syamna pamjaba oire aduga masleista ai sana ai samakta thokpa thodok mangni haina khalaga ai sana film sigi thawai hapsage haina khanjai
Wari screenplay lamjing lamtakpa asigi shumatakta producer gi thogai Gunindro Khangem lawduna pankhat kadaru film asigi cinematography gi thogai Surchan Moirang them na lawbaga loinana Mohendro Kams na editor gi thogai lawri Impact TV na media partner oiduna puthokodaru film asigi sairengba KK Wahengbam nei sairangmana Fipson Khogen nei loinana silhaiba Nikki Tamthoi Valeshwari asina chingba kayana maruoiba mamiroi sing oiri Angel Digital Media Service ki banner makhada Nishti na khudol tamduna amadi Kanglai Park Fitness Center na sponsor tawduna puthokadaba aigi thawai ni haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film gi yaife thawni thawramsu December gi haukiba tang ahum Nomaizing numita Kanchipu da leiba Git fast food ta haunabi matung ina mai pak na pangthokre Impact TV na media partner oiduna Vidya Lakshmi gi wari di yumpham oiduna pankhat kadorba film asi Kennedy Yambem na editor gi thawgai lawri amadi Irengbam Ibom Chana lamjing lamtakli Danau Gaps na cinematography ki thaugai laudiba film asida maming lerba mamiroi Sadananda Balondi Ratan Lai Kabok Leinau cha Nikki Vindhya asina singba sakna erba kayana maruiba mamiroi sing oiri
film series da kumbiriba artist sing thawai aksak yauna ek phajana tawbiu character masak khangna niti niyom chumna nungsi janana director ga nungsinana kari lege kamai tawgadabno tathok tasit tongna kan sida phajaba mari ama thamakan masana no film ama ohensi haibse aigi pandam
tamo sananda ga aiga manau pasai nama role asogumdi phangjai sigi matang da yam nuai jai ado film ji matang da aishu labiam phabani kunong chaba phangjai je
Nahangai ukiba mayamdagi khitang top pa aduga mama machagi nungsinaba amasung imungjida yam nungsi janana nairambadagi khanghaudaba accident amana imungje kairakpadagi oirakhibadagi mama mak natragasu mando chana machabu kyamak nungsige habado fidam jaju uledubu laikai gi minokna maram oiraga habadi injanba adu tawbadagi imungji family gi nungsinabaje kairakpa mama ki masana trawus masadona khalambadu mando chana loina jarambado loina mangakpa adugumba aduga films da sumba khra almaina tor izaba.
Anyways, let's take a short break from this overload of entertaining news.
Housing for All by 2022 mission PMAY CLS Urban Amadi Graben gi makhada hanana urban area khaktamak subsidized home loan gi khudong chaba pijarambadu haujekti rural area gi supai khatchare lupa lakh taruk fawbu gi loan amount ta interest rate 8.6% per annum EMI lakh amada lupa chani pan ga homtra mari urban area gi oina interest subsidy asi lupa lakh ani ga lising hom phutare ni amadi rural area gi oina lising kuntra ni pani zero processing fee oigini regular home loan lupa lakh taruk tagina lakh yankhai fawbada interest rate ase 12.5% per annum ni hena kupamarol gidamak Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited ki head office uripok amadi branch office singda lengsin biraklaga khangbiraba yagani terms and conditions apply khanganjariba Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited.
Welcome back again. Amuka hana taramna okchari. Well, we have our Tinsel town to give us the non-stop movies to entertainment with all these new releases happening around town. Next, we have the exclusive sneak peek interviews of celebrities at our Lord Mahesh celebration. So let's get in touch with Srela on the Mapao.
Hello guys! Of course, it's the Mami Mapao team trying to catch the spicy and sizzling news about our star, of course, Mahesh getting married. And we see some familiar faces. I'm gonna show them to you right now. Hello! And you know what guys, right now I'm here with this super duper gorgeous Jenny. Ngasigi Mahesh ki amna nungairaba numit asida chichena kari haibining bage Mahesh ta amadi magi loina bida.
Ngasigi Mahesh ki lohongba numit asida aina haijaning de si maki tungi punsida yumbal non da yamna na thajana laimina ba haibatu oida sanu.
The person right now next to me without makeup is none other than Kisan of KAV.
Peace is iluna tawbigadabani atay kem haiti respect women aduga wish pu aina pining wish ti be a happy married life then hamba machanupa ama pokpa ngamasano haina bol pige. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm here with the one of the best, one of the most wanted, one of the most kind choreographer of Manipur, Mr. Satizit.
Take the kaidaba aduga akoigi generation to generation hai tarene adumaini isorsu chanbibu oisanun aigi side tagi well wish ai tawjage.
Hello again. Mayamna khwaidagi pamnaraba and of course Manipur gi one of the top kanate the top actress of Manipur, Chesoma. Hello.
Hello. Mahesh ki lohong bagi damakta kaitara best wishes to the couple, new couple. Aduga hena mai moi future dosu yam bright future roiba aduga khangde yam thuna angang yauraga nungai happy family oina palaninge.
Angang di kyamuka suggest tawninge.
Oh well madi mayum sumi yam damne man only born sir noibne na adum khara yam haninge ahum mari.
World's most beautiful transgender haibagi mingthon haigi mayam marakta yauraklabi amasung Manipur gi oina kayarak hanna mai purakrabi. Of course, it's our own business. Hello.
Hello, Mahesh Amadi. Mahakaloy na B. Lidigida magtaay na kung sining siyang ba. ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯕ ꯇꯦꯛꯇ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯋꯤꯁ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤ.
Guys, can you guess who this is? Of course, it's Reddy Menon, one of the top actor of Manipur.
Mahesh and Elavi, tungi punsida yam namai pa poibiyo aduga yam successful oiba life ama hingbiyo aina ina wish pijeri.
Angang kya mo kadi suggest tawninge?
Angang manga di suggest tawninge.
Manga adudi da suras na anim di hele. Hey! Haziki ngasigi main star habidi bor ay ginakta famale. So mayam na quite hangning ba questions mayam duga punna aijo maunari. Hello, Damahes.
Yeah, hi.
So luhong mo loraga laabani na hazik kay paubige.
Thaba ama kom grade loi ma hogi life ki yama chauba part ama chong re na khalen.
Damahes ka Jelevi ka ze ka maina thengnagi bano. How did the love thing started?
We are from different field. We are not from same field. Mana kay haitare. I want this little bit like some years junior ni. Ado mase kay mutual friends tay khangnarak pane. Ado da mana film line joy respect to it of ai ga yam migi di chana ba yeng hai ai na chana da du da yam na nungai ba moi ba do. Yam na nungai ba ai di for example ai na khang da pot mana khang ba mana khang pot ai na khang da ba adu ba and understanding am le du da mangwa dai na attract to ba du man so du understand to ba du mai.
Oh, that's so sweet. Mayam na nga sa suggestion sum ta ba to ko. Angang se taret. Nupa bu di ahan ba dum oijar san hai ko. And kharam na manga ahum su hai ba yaw ki gumale. Ado da dame hes ki mot de kya mu kadi expect adi toge.
Kang de ai de du gi uzi wakal exaggerate but still mayam na pam ba se apa bang atani so like amukay nanti kay hai din khang de si matang si de confused.
Masinga matang de habi rom masinga matang. Just some
honest answer 3.
Lupa kya nupi kya?
Nupa ni nupi ama.
Oh, thank you so much, and I really hope that you tung dalak pa punsida ko yam na nungay ba dagi good luck haina haijari.
Team Mami Mapao wishes our Lord Mahesh a very very happy and prosperous married life ahead. Finally, we have our Miss Manipur making around news in the beautiful place called Manipur, and with new participants and challenges. So let's go and check the highlights. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at Helly's Models Grooming Studio and the hunt for Miss Manipur has begun. Yes, this is the audition for Miss Manipur 2017 and Mami Mapao is here again to bring you the highlights of the event.
Kezaba Mogjaba Ningolobi Singi Manakni Amaromda Chung Firal Sab Haibasin Amuk Nuza Singi Magun Hapli Wakal Loksing Sankon Baibas Masu Mitoi Mien Bi Nuza Magi Soi Fadraba Maguni Haibada Toy Nahaiman Matokloi Pumna Makasibu Kona Iramdam Manipuraski Kumza Lusing and Tarataret Ki Oina Kwairigi Sankon Bi Wakal Loksing Saubi Sahen Bi Miss Manipur Kanan Bagitamak Haukibana Bember Gitang Kuntaruk Nomaizing Numita Hawum Marakta Laiba Helly's Models Grooming Studio da audition pangthokre contestant kun mukna saruk yakib audition adudagi khangat laba Sahen Bi Singh aduga Miss Sinlang Takrabi Sahen Bi Serena ahong changmam ga loinana contest asibu khudol tamliba saknairaba model Helly Laithangba Madi Sonia anigi lamjing makhada December amandagina taret fawba grooming pangthoktuna hayeng December gi mapanda Vagachandra Open Air Theatre Board Palace Compound da aroiba changdamnaba pangthokadori
Hojui mayam ga thengna hanjagadori ba si Miss Manipur organization gi manager Phaimbam Sonia ni
ngasi se audition je around contestant kun gi maya da saruk yari registration kan na chathari hujujik loidri ko registration aduga Miss Sinlang 2017 gi winner si akoi sida direct entry laibane aduga aina haijaning badi numit asida akoi loop singna ban gumba general strike gumba thamba kopa asingma ma'am se thambida da akoi gi laibak ki oiba Miss Manipur state asigi oiba khwaidigi chawba beauty pageant asida mayam saru yabiduna harau pukning thogatpiu angangsing horakliba akhoi nupi micha sing sida moida platform pibina bagi asumba chawba tanja si launa ba khona honamina si hajane
laiba contestants sing je mamang gadi kari khena ba lai aduga hena performance ki side tasu hena fajarakani khanbra
ꯍꯣꯏ hopefully ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯟꯇꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯀꯣꯟꯇꯦꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯣꯟꯇꯦꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯎꯖꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯋꯥꯠꯍꯧꯕꯅꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯍꯤ 4 ꯃꯤꯁ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯊꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯨꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯨꯕꯗꯨꯅꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯈꯪꯅꯗꯕꯒꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯆꯍꯤꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯞꯐꯨꯜꯂꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯇꯦꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯂꯤꯐꯥꯏഡ് ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯁꯟꯗ ꯎꯖꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁꯐꯨꯜꯂꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯁꯨ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯍꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ
ꯑꯋꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯦꯕ ꯏꯚꯦꯟꯅꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯕꯥ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯃꯥꯎꯟ ꯕꯖꯦꯠ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯠ ꯐꯥꯔꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯅꯕ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯩ
We have one of the contestants of Miss Manipur 2017. Here is serial number 1 with us. What's your name?
My name is Sakshi and I'm 16 years old. And this is the first time that I'm taking part in any pageant. And it was so much excitement. I was so much excited and it went so good. I'm so happy.
Fine. Are you feeling were you feeling nervous before that?
I was excited before that and yet I'm excited. I'm so excited.
Where do you stay? Where are you from?
I'm from Korengi, Nepali Basti.
How do you feel like participating as a Miss Manipur contest?
Okay, I feel very honorful to be a part of Miss Manipur 2017 and I am hoping for the best result.
If you get through, and if you get through in the men contest, do you see yourself as a Miss Manipur?
To be honest, I see myself as Miss Manipur and that's the reason I'm here for the audition.
So everyone, to all the people watching Mami Mapao, we have a surprise for you. So let's see who it is. We have Strela with us, the host, your host. Okay, so everyone wish Strela all the very best for her contest.
Hello.
What do you want to say?
Yeah, I'm without makeup and I look like a potato, but I really hope that you guys would support Miss Manipur 2017 and support me. Pray for all the contestants, pray for the organizers, and pray for everyone who's involved in it. And that's it. Thank you.
Okay, don't forget to watch live. We have the man behind all this event, like the Miss Manipur 2017, Mr. Heli. Chahi mari Miss Manipur se thingar matung dago. Amuk hanna nauna keno tawrokpagi hawrokpagi awabaje. Sigise mayam diktang share to guro.
Hawrokpaje comment se yamna luisi matangda haibaje tasengna akhoi rizu tasengna amkana khangjabo oide hana tawrambasing do hana masak khangjahoude dubo tasengna akhoi Miss Manipur dog haiba matamda conditions are amtina lui tasena aina isamaki kanoma show ma tawge or designer amagi show ma tawge or kanoma adu go amtina keneduna Miss Manipur haiba term je Manipur je palakpa matam jida yengsen bina ba se yam lae tasengna adubu tasengna akhoi Manipur da laiba ima ibel singna id ima gi lup singna yamna support obi akhoi bu ima singna akhoi haina support obi de akhoi samai sen ba je sungoi oi thoi
adu tariba handak lakadoriba title singse moi singse Miss Manipur gi apart from the cash prize and all that moi da hena mapan gi lamda gumba natragana exposure gumba gi chances ti leibra
mapan gi exposure de tasengna Miss India organization je isama ka tasene personally khangna jai tasengna ada khoi Manipur da khwaidigi luri je height se da yamna criteria le hoina Miss India organization da hoina ai ge juta sena khangna jabanina last year November dagi moina isi contact aurakpane atar posida ta sena there's a long story actually hoina direct ha ge have hoina commitment ngak pangam da haibdi hoi Manipur sida hoina hojing Miss Manipur series da hoina moi Miss India organization gi je 55 minimum hai ada hoina minimum Miss Manipur selaga 55 na loina mak hai ta de Manipur de mi je tara phana la oita sengna mi je mi be mang awai di wangaga wangang ba hitaba adigi nemaga wangang ba hiba adugi hoina Manipur gi da yenga kanda ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯨꯜꯐꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯥꯗ ꯊꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯃꯀꯣꯛꯇ ꯄꯟꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯄꯣꯔꯆꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯦ.
Alright, so guys, that was Miss Manipur 2017, the highlights, and all of you just don't forget to catch up on 9th December, the main event, online and also at your home. So that is Tenzing with cameraman Derek, and you're watching Mami Mapao. Can't wait to get more of Miss Manipur. As we all know, the stage has been ramped up by Heli Laithangbam and Fire Emblem Sonia to set a new trend in Manipur fashion. Dear viewers, that's all we have in the episode of Mami Mapao. Hope you liked it. Mathanggi episode ta tongan ba anauba entertainment gi mapaw singaloina na amuk unarasi. But dear friends and followers, do send us your valuable feedback at www.facebook.com/Mami Mapao. Thank you for watching Mami Mapao and goodbye.